Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of cryptocurrency, how it works, how it differs from traditional currencies, and the potential future developments in this field. Part 1. What is cryptocurrency and blockchain technology? Cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency that uses encryption techniques to regulate the generation of units of currency and verify the transfer of funds. It is decentralized, which means it is not controlled by a single entity like a government or financial institution. This makes it more secure and transparent than traditional currencies. Blockchain technology is the backbone of cryptocurrency. It is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions on multiple computers in a way that is secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. Each block in the chain contains a number of transactions, and once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered or deleted. Part 2. How are cryptocurrencies created and used? Cryptocurrencies are created through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems that verify and validate transactions on the blockchain. This process ensures that the transactions are secure and that the currency is not being counterfeited. Once the currency is created, it can be used just like any other currency. Cryptocurrency can be bought and sold on exchanges, transferred between wallets, and used to make purchases. Some businesses and industries are even starting to accept cryptocurrency as payment, including Tesla, Overstock, and Microsoft. Part 3. Benefits and drawbacks of cryptocurrency. One of the main benefits of cryptocurrency is its decentralization. This means that it is not controlled by a single entity, making it more secure and transparent than traditional currencies. Additionally, cryptocurrencies offer greater privacy and anonymity than traditional currencies, as transactions are not linked to a person's identity. However, cryptocurrency is also volatile and subject to market fluctuations. Its value can rise and fall rapidly, making it a risky investment for some people. Additionally, cryptocurrency is not yet widely accepted, which can limit its usefulness in certain situations. Part 4. Cryptocurrency in the real world. Despite its limitations, cryptocurrency is being used in real-world situations. For example, some businesses are accepting cryptocurrency as payment for goods and services. Additionally, some countries are exploring the use of cryptocurrency as a means of exchange, including El Salvador, which recently adopted Bitcoin as legal tender. Part 5. Future developments in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. As the use of cryptocurrency continues to grow, there are many potential future developments in this field. For example, some experts predict that the use of cryptocurrency could become more widespread and accepted, leading to a more decentralized global economy. Additionally, new blockchain technologies are being developed that could make transactions faster and more efficient. Conclusion. In conclusion, cryptocurrency and blockchain technology are complex and rapidly evolving fields. While there are benefits and drawbacks to using cryptocurrency, it is clear that it is becoming increasingly popular and useful in real-world situations. As this technology continues to develop, we can expect to see many exciting new developments and possibilities.